Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this cute little pouch. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter, stitch marker and a button. This pouch looks so cute and beautiful. The stitch used is very easy to do and it is a beginner friendly stitch. This pouch is done lengthwise. First we will do the foundation chain till the required length of the pouch you want, and then we will fold them into three like a flip-flop pouch. Next we will join the sides and add the button to this pouch. So now let's see how to do this beautiful pouch. Start with a slip knot. The foundation chain can be any number of chain based on the length of the pouch you are going to do. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain, and the number of chain can be any number of chain based on the length of the pouch we are going to do. After doing them, it looks like this. So next, you are going to work on the third loop. So if you see here, this is the chain. So this is the front loop, back loop, and if you turn the chain, you can see a bump like structure at the back. So this will be the third loop. We are going to work on this third loop. So turn your work, yarn over, insert the hook in this third loop, yarn over, pull through that loop. You will have three loops. Next you are going to insert this first loop through these two loops. So turn your hook like this, pull this first loop and pull through these two loops. Now we have done the first stitch. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this whole project. That is yarn over, insert the hook in the third loop here, yarn over, pull through that loop. You will be having three loops. Next you will insert this first loop through these two loops. So for that, turn your hook like this, pull this first loop and pull through these two loops like this. So second stitch, yarn over, insert it in this third loop here like this, yarn over, pull through the loop, and next you are going to insert this single loop through these two loops. So pull this single loop like this, turn the hook and pull through these two loops. So this will be the pattern you have to follow till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. We are having 49 stitches. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. We will be working in this chain. Here we will be working in these chain. We have to follow the same pattern how we did in the previous row. That is yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch by taking both the loops of this chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have three loops and you are going to insert the first loop through the other two loops like this. So yarn over, insert the hook by taking both the loops. That is, we are taking this chain, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have three loops and you are going to insert this first loop through these two loops. Likewise, you are going to follow the pattern till the required width of the pouch which you are going to do. After doing them to the required size, it looks like this. Next, you are going to fold them to form like a pouch. So you will be folding them like this. So this will be like a flip-flop pouch. So you have to do the slip stitch till you fold the point here. Till this corner point, you have to do the slip stitch. So how to do a slip stitch? Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So this is what we say it as slip stitch. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. Next, you will be joining both the sides till you reach here by doing slip stitch. Take both the stitch here and take the stitch the other side and do a slip stitch. Take the stitch here, take the stitch in the other side and do a slip stitch. So you have to follow this till you reach here by joining both the sides. After doing them, it looks like this. Same way, you are going to do slip stitch till this end, and again we'll be doing slip stitch in one side till this corner, and then we will join both the sides using slip stitch and then do slip stitch till you reach this end. After that, we have to do buttonhole here. So first we will complete the slip stitch till here. You see here I have done slip stitch to this corner, again on only one side till this corner. Next we are going to join both the sides using slip stitch, how we did this side. So we will take this stitch and stitch in the other side and do a slip stitch. Take this stitch, take the stitch in the other side and do a slip stitch. We have to join like this till this end. After joining the side, it looks like this. So now we have covered both the sides of the pouch. Next we are going to do slip stitch till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. Next here you are going to do the buttonhole. So for that you have to take the center part. So fold the pouch like this. You will get the center part. Place the stitch marker here. We are going to do slip stitch till you reach the stitch marker. So I've done the slip stitch till you reach the stitch marker. Next remove the stitch marker. Do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitch and do a slip stitch in the third stitch. So this is the buttonhole. The buttonhole will vary based on the button which you are going to use. Next do slip stitch till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. Next you can snip off this yarn. Next you are going to add a button here. After adding the button, the pouch looks like this. Flip-flop pouch looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.